CORSAIR Gaming design, market and distribute gaming and streaming solutions internationally. Come from the US. Recently the stock price hasn't been doing too well, but they are a very popular stock in the gaming sector with investors. So in today's chart of the day, I'm going to have a look at where the price may be heading next. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So the line chart for CORSAIR, the weekly line chart, shows a changing picture for the stock. Went public September 2020, saw a nice rise up to highs around $45, and then since early this year has been pulling back in terms of price. And at one point, not too long ago, we were down over 46.5%. Bounced from there in October and then is now heading back towards there. Last two earnings periods haven't been good for them, and we can see from the Fibonacci lines overlaid down the price that that low recently seems around about that 23.6% Fibonacci number, which is just under $24. So the next longer term number down, I'm afraid, is back to the all-time lows and where they started from, about $17. If it can bounce from here, then there's plenty of upside because you've got all that movement up to those highs at 45, but those key Fibonacci lines, 38.2%, just under $28, then the 61.8%, $34.5, and then those highs at 45. But at the moment, the picture not looking too great in terms of stock price for CORSAIR. Something new I'm introducing to the chart of the day is my line break chart, and I use a 4 line break chart rather than the standard 3, and I also use a 2 bar reversal, so I call it a 4-2 line break chart. That's to give me a bit more aggression on entry, but I'm putting this in here on a regular basis to give the shorter term traders looking for that cooler, call the turn reversal in price, some idea of numbers to look out for. Now on the chart, you see, first of all, see the purple line. Now that's the aggressive entry, and that's around about $25, and it's there or there at the moment if you fancy going long CORSAIR. The more conservative options, the pink line above, that's on the 4-4 break, and that's at $27. So like I say, just an idea for any traders who like that sort of strategy, want to buy the dip. It is a good one for that. Then there's 2 targets for you. So what's the daily Heikin-Ashi chart showing us? Well, at the bottom there, the 2 lines both bearish, so our signals are bearish. Volatility and volume trading under their moving averages, so nothing exciting happening there. Really, the price action hasn't been that exciting. It's been consistently heading in one direction, but not very exciting. In terms of that price action, it's trading within our 2 pink line breakout box system bands after a sell back in September time. And in terms of the regression, it has been sort of holding between those upper and lower boundaries, but at the moment sitting right on the mean on that, like I say, downward trend. So looking reasonably sort of bearish, weak bearish at the moment. For the Renko chart, I've used a 30 cents block size. Go to our signals at the bottom, all are bearish. We have a current sell signal outside the 2 pink line box breakout set up there, and the price trading below the longer term moving average. Downside targets in the shorter term for the Renko, 22, 20, then 17. Upside's got to get through sort of 27 area to head towards, you know, $29-30. Then after that, it should be 61.8% line at $31.50. Then the 38.2 at about $35, and then we'll try and get back to its highs at $40. But at the moment, that seems a long way off. We're in a downtrend. It's like a slow bleeding to death downtrend. It's going to need some fundamental shift to give it a turnaround at the moment. So Corsair gets a bearish score, especially in the shorter term on the Renko charts, everything pointing south. Similar story on the Renko, where signals and trend were both bearish, but there are other factors neutralising out that sort of overall weakness in the sort of medium to longer term, giving a more weak bearish type position. Now I've added in the top right there 4 line break chart numbers for an aggressive and conservative entry, both to bullish side obviously because we're in the downtrend. Upside aggressive 25, upside conservative 27. And if we focus on the targets, upsides 2 to 1, 4 to 1, downsides 1.5, 2.5 to 1. So there's a bit on the bone for either direction, but at the moment the score for Corsair bearish. So not looking too great for Corsair Gaming at the moment, especially in a sector, the gaming sector that is receiving a lot of positive attention at the moment. Let me know in those comments below what you think about Corsair. Where do you think the price is heading next? Do you agree, disagree with the analysis in today's video? Comments always welcome. Now if you've liked the analysis, want to learn more, especially without the line break charts that we saw, then I'll put a link in the description below for you to follow. So if you want to learn more about that sort of analysis. And if you liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.